as a marketing manager, this book, Project Management Mastery by Jack Hayden, has been super helpful. So I just wanted to quickly go over my two favorite parts. Number one, the SWOT analysis. So in this section right here, you can see that I highlighted it. It's all about strengths and weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So it takes you through the pieces that you need in your project to make sure that you're covering all those bases. And the second part that I really like are the project parameters. And there is a little diagram right there, KPI, which means key performance indicators. And it talks about objective measurement, optimization, strategy, performance, and evaluation. So super duper helpful. And of course, the table of contents are great. Project management overview is chapter 1. Foundations of project management, chapter 2. The plan, let's execute, project monitoring and control, closing phase, and finally earned value management and SWOT analysis. So super helpful book, and I highly recommend it.